Students, we have revised all topics of writing skills also, grammar also. So today I have thought that I should give you practice. Okay, I will be giving you 10 sentences of every topic and you do practice, and after writing the answer, check your answer with Blackboard. We will discuss in the class and give marks to yourself so that you can judge yourself that how much preparation have you done. Clear? So do it honestly. Okay, don't waste your time at all. Whatever the exercise I'm going to write down the answers side by side. Okay, so solve it. So start writing fill with suitable model. Okay. Do it very, very carefully. I know what are they doing because they have forgotten that episode on 4th September. The how did I scold them in class? They have forgotten about this thing. I know, bache, I know who are serious and who are not. Karanya, you on that day, I think on Sunday you called me, but I disconnected your phone because at that time I was busy in webinar. So why did you call me, bache? Karanya? Only answer.
Ma'am, I called you to wish you Teachers' Day.
Okay, so nice of you. Thank you, bache. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I couldn't attend your call because at that time I was busy in webinar. After that, I got busy in another work. Then I forgot to call you. You? I have read yesterday. So you have done these models? Okay. Dash, I shut this window. Dash, I shut this window. Offer. See, now you will put a tick mark. We will discuss we will discuss all the answers in class. You will give marks to yourself. And don't peep into others' notebook. Just look at your notebook, how many marks you are going to score in every grammar topic. Dash, I shut this window. It is an offer. Wrong. So when is this offer? Shall I shut this window? If offer is there, I have written in bracket, offer is there, so shall. Dash, I apply for IAS. Suggestion. No, bache, in bracket, that's I have given you so that you can judge, because your class is not so serious. I was asking you if you have any doubt what you want to study today, and that boy was saying there is no need to teach. Third one. When suggestion is given, shall we study together? Is a suggestion related with another sentence? Huh? Should, when duty is given, we should respect our elders. Dash, I go to Delhi next week. So it is certain. So when it is certainty, then will. It is certain, sure. So with I, shall will not use. In place of shall, what will be used? Will. We dash help the needy person. It is duty. It is our duty. For duty, you will be using should. We should help the needy person. Work hard lest you dash fail. Whenever lest is written, what should be written? Should. Lest is always followed with should. Run fast lest you dash miss the train. You should miss the train. He dash run a mile in 10 minutes. That is showing his capability. So he can run a mile in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, he can run a mile. So it means it is showing its ability. It is showing its ability. Misfortunes dash befall anyone. Can befall anyone. Must, when there is a duty that you have to do. There is not any other option. You must pay fees, otherwise your name will be struck. So you don't have any option. You must. Clear? So bache, check your answers. Now I'm giving you 10 sentences on prepositions. It is in your syllabus, prepositions. So I'm going to give 10 sentences on prepositions. So check your answers also and give marks to yourself. I know sincere students are doing, but there are some students who are not doing anything, and they should keep this thing in your mind. Your exams are going to be conducted offline. It's enough. Start writing prepositions. Start writing prepositions. Huh? It's enough, Lavish. It's enough. Don't create nuisance in my class. Right? Fill with the suitable preposition. My father is dash home. One is saying in. My father is. We returned dash down yesterday. He was born dash. On 15 9 days. He was born in England in 1956. He was born dash poverty. Harman, today you study about this. In poverty. He came here. The cat jumped dash. I think such kind of sentence was asked in your revision test also. And 80% students have done that answer wrong. There was one sentence in your revision test. Jumped. So your on, over, into, in all were wrong. Jumped upon a table. I was so surprised that 8th class student, they don't know that with jumped dash a table, upon is to be used. He fell dash the bed. He fell upon the bed. Here also upon. He is superior. He is superior. Ram is junior. Clear? So revise these prepositions thoroughly. Revise it thoroughly. बच्चे revise it thoroughly. With superior, inferior, junior, senior. One of the student has asked me, in comparison we used to, बच्चे whenever you have been given superior, inferior, junior or senior, with all these words we will be using to. Superior, he is superior to me. She is inferior to me. You are junior to me. He is senior to me. With that, jumped upon a table. We will be using upon. Over is shown to go up. Upon will be correct option. Now I'm going to give you tenses. So write down. Fill with suitable tense. Fill with suitable tense. Some students are not serious. I don't want to listen. You are useless talk. वो बुला रहा है, वो कर रहा है. Be mature. Revision days are going on. Be serious. Are you giving marks to yourself? Now I'm going to call you on the blackboard to solve this, so that parents, other parents, YouTube watcher, all will come to know that how much English do you know. Okay, so the students who are not taking these classes seriously, those who are creating jokes in class, I'm going to call them. They will pick up chalk and they will be solving it on the blackboard. Keep your hands down. I can call any of the child. And afterwards, don't think that it is an insult for you, because this video will be uploaded on YouTube. If your answer will be wrong, then ready for this position. Now start solving these sentences. You have to put correct form of the verb. You have to put correct form of the verb. Okay, Harman, you come. Pick up chalk. Harman, you come and pick up chalk. Colored. Do first sentence. Write down only correct verb. Yes. We dashed 10 kilometer. We walked 10 kilometer. Next. Tanmay, you come. क्या बात है. Lavish, you come. Sit down. Stepped spellings are right. What will be the right spellings of stepped? What will be the right spellings of stepped? Stepped. I stepped on a banana skin and fell heavily. Tanmay. As word is telling that something was going in continuous form. Full. Because all these verbs are attached to each other. He has written 3 answers. He cleaned his revolver when it accidentally gone off and killed him. Only this is right, this is wrong, and this. But in your paper, whole of the sentence will be considered wrong. Not even a half credit will be given to you. So what will be the right answer? Sit down. He dashed his revolver when. It means action was going on. Action was going on. It means he was cleaning. He was cleaning his revolver when it accidentally past of go will be. Sit down, take rest. He was cleaning his revolver when it accidentally went off. And if you have written all these 3 words correct, only then whole of the tense will be considered correct. So in your exam, in your test, such kind of sentences I think can be asked. Not sure, but you prepare for this. You have been doing tenses from class 2nd, and now you are in 8th class. Not 4th, 2nd class में tense शुरू हो जाते हैं. Exam are those were. Has, have, had. Don't point out that 4. So he was cleaning his revolver when it went off and killed him. He not allow us to go out in boat yesterday as a strong wind blow. So who is going to tell me? You come. Yes, you. Great personality. Problem? Any problem is there? Useless thing is going in the class. That's why you are talking. So be serious. What are you doing? What is the problem with you? Sit straight. क्या पूछ रहे हो? What are you asking? He did not allow us to go out in boat yesterday as a strong wind. Because here, as yesterday, as word has come, so as a strong wind was blowing will come. He did not allow us to go. Did not allow. Clear?